Salam, this is Unity. All right, y'all, I've been crazy busy. Let's start with the first order. This order is going to West Los Angeles, California. The first pair that this beloved sister got, which y'all done seen so many times in the Queen's order, is the G9 shaped bead earrings. And all these earrings that I'm showing y'all are on boabw.com. The next pair she got is Nature is the Key of Life. So fun. And also on each one of her pairs, she got clip-on attachments. So if you can't wear pierced earrings, when you make your order, just send a note with your order saying, please add clip-ons, or add clip-ons, please. And there's no extra charge. All right. So the next pair she got, which is one of my best sellers, is Free Spirit, Spirit Free. This is the back. And the last pair this beloved sister purchased is Cultured Wood Heart Earrings, which is another one of my best sellers. This is the back. All right, so those are going to West Side, West Los Angeles, California. Okay, the next pair is going to Augusta, Georgia. And the first pair this beloved sister got is the Eye of Ra earrings. Another one of my hot sellers. And this is the back. If y'all ever receive a pair of earrings and both is signed, that means you won a pair of earrings. So you contact me if you ever receive a pair of earrings if both is signed. And I know exactly which ones are like that. So I don't need nobody trying to add another thing on here. So I have a list of the ones that I do that. So that's just like a little giveaway. And I'm going to do a video to talk more about that. All right. The next pair she got is the Everlasting Henna earrings. I have about four different henna design earrings. So this is one I created some years ago, but it's timeless and it's still selling. And the last pair she got is one of my hot sellers. I've been making these consistently. Is Jesus Was Black. Hair like wool, feet like brass. I make these consistently. All right, so those are going to Augusta, Georgia. And the next order is going to Orlando, Florida. And the first pair is one of my hot sellers. It's called Mudcloth Life Key earrings. This is the back. And the next pair she got is one of my hot sellers. By the time y'all see this video, these is all shipped out. This is the Chakra Unk Butterfly earrings. I make these consistently. Praise be to the universe. These sell like crazy. And I give thanks to the universe and the God in me for creating those. Alright, so I want to give thanks to all the beloved sisters from Orlando, Georgia, and California. These orders, thank you, and all the ones that has supported BOABW for the last almost 14 years now. All right, y'all don't forget to subscribe to this channel, thumbs up the video, leave a beautiful comment. I told y'all I'm looking at the comments, and I will give a giveaway out once a month starting in January. I will give a free gift once a month for beautiful comments. And y'all will see some beautiful comments videos. The comments will be, the ones in January will be for some comments in December. So I'll tell y'all who the winners is. That'll just be something giving back. Leave a beautiful comment. And don't forget to visit your local animal shelter or rescue to adopt a pet today. It don't matter if it's a dog, cat, whatever they got up there. They have more things than dogs and cats that needs a beautiful home, shelters, after a while, they end up putting them down, which is messed up. But yeah, adopt a cat. And I know a lot of people are not cat people, so adopt a dog or adopt whatever animal they have up there. And also, don't forget to pick up litter in your community. All right, y'all. Salam, salam.